In this video, I want to show you guys how to build a passive income using ChatGPT AI without any investment. This is going to be complete full course, and also I'm going to show you guys how to do this with $0 invested. The only thing that I ask for you guys is just to press that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos on how to make money using ChatGPT. So to make small intro, what is this video about and what are you going to learn? So this is basically going to be complete guide on how to build passive income using ChatGPT and how to make money from it. And also what this course is going to be about is how you can keep 95% of the profit. So every dollar that you make, 95% is going to be profit. So for example, you earn $100, that is going to be revenue, $95 is going to be profit from this method. This doesn't require any special skill and anyone can do it. It is also available worldwide and you're going to earn passive income. To explain you guys what this means is that you're going to earn every single month from this method, and if you set it up right, it is going to last a long time. This doesn't require, again, any investment. That means that you don't need money to start this method. You can start with $0 today. The only thing that you need for this method is to work. And also this is great method because you can scale it up to infinity. You can do it over and over and over and over again. That means that you can build a passive income that is great. And I highly recommend you guys to test this out because, again, it doesn't require any money to start with. So let's jump straight into this video. Let's not waste any time. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open ChatGPT. Now, huge warning, there is a huge demand for ChatGPT right now. So sometimes it is going to be unavailable for a few hours because crazy amount of people are jumping in to test out ChatGPT, and sometimes it can crash. So that is also a huge warning that I want to give you guys. And don't worry, it is going to be available in an hour or two, or maybe sometimes in 5 minutes. So don't worry about that. So first of all, go set up account on openai.com, create your 100% free account. ChatGPT is 100% free. Once you create your account, you want to click on this button, try ChatGPT, and open page that looks like this. Now again, it is sometimes going to crash. I want to just show you guys if it crashes because, again, crazy amounts of people, millions and millions of people are coming on OpenAI trying to use ChatGPT, and sometimes it can crash. You can see right now it can even load. So I want to test out if mine is working. So the one that I have opened before works, but the new one doesn't open. So just to show you guys that they're experiencing high demand. So sometimes it can happen that the ChatGPT crashes. So don't worry about that. So what is ChatGPT? Just a small introduction because sometimes maybe doesn't know. You can ask anything. You can, for example, say, create WordPress plugin. I don't know, I'm not going to say which one, but you can basically ask anything ChatGPT and it is going to do it for you. It can code, it can answer all of your questions, it can write some sorts of, for example, poems or something like that. So basically anything can be done with ChatGPT. The one thing that I want to show you guys is how you can actually use ChatGPT to create you money. So that is the thing that we are going to cover in today's video. So first thing that I want to show you guys is this website called Udemy.com. Now, if you don't know what is Udemy.com, it is basically one of the largest websites where you can learn anything by buying courses. So you can, for example, buy a course for development of C++, and you can see that this course has over 328,000 students, and they're earning, sometimes you can see they're right now earning $12, but the course price is $84.99. So basically this course is at 86% discount. So for example, just to give you guys perspective how much money this course is making, let's say $11 times 300,000 students, that is over let's say $6 million just from this course. Now again, you can't really expect to jump in and create something like this and make $3.6 million overnight. That is not going to happen, of course. But I want to show you guys how you can build these courses using ChatGPT and create passive income, because once you upload your course on Udemy, for example, it is going to make you money for a long time. Now, a lot of people are going to be scared because maybe they don't know anything that they can create course about or something like that. So you don't need to worry about that. I'm going to show you guys everything. And just to show you guys that there is tons of different courses. For example, you can search for a course of chess or something like that. You can see chess course. It has 6,000 students. Or you can see piano lessons. There is few 100,000 students, for example. You can see this one has 300,000 students at $20. That is over $6-point-something million. So again, this is not going to happen overnight. You can't earn $6.5 million. That is not going to happen. But you can actually make a few $1,000s, or sometimes it can build up to really crazy amounts, but that is going to be a low percentage. You don't want to reach, for example, $100,000 per month with your course. That is actually going to be really hard to do. So if you aim, for example, for $5,000 per month or $10,000 per month, or sometimes let's say $15,000 per month, that is reachable with few courses, but you can't really set goals to make $6 million. That is going to be really hard again. So next thing I want to show you guys what is really important about this website is you need to do a research before you start creating your course. So you need to go on Udemy Instructor Marketplace Insights. So what is this? Basically, you can go and search what topic you want to create your course about, and of course, how much money you can expect to make. So for example, if you want to create course, for example, for YouTube, let's say YouTube marketing, for example, doesn't matter. So you can see how much money you can actually expect to make. So right now, $3,897 per month is top monthly revenue. So that is one of the examples. So you can see demand for this course is high and the numbers of courses are high. So that is also something that you want to look at. So again, there is a huge demand for these courses, but there is also a high number of courses. So you can also, for example, search for chess. You can also search for that. You can see that it is going to be less money, $1,334. But the great thing about these courses is, for example, you can create 10 courses. And if each course makes, for example, $3,000 per month, that is $30,000. So just to give you guys perspective why I'm showing you guys this. You can also do a research of categories that exist actually on Udemy. So that can be also the easier part to find what are you interested in. So you can go on udemy.com and select categories. And right here, you can see what categories you can actually choose and maybe what are you interested in to create. So there are tons of different stuff and topics that you can create. There is, for example, even health and fitness. I didn't even know about this. So you can also create health and fitness courses, lifestyle courses, photography, music, and so on. So you can see that almost every single topic or niche is covered on Udemy. So you can actually create whatever you're interested in and upload it on Udemy for sale. So I want to show you guys how you can go and create these courses, because it is not that hard. So you can go and use ChatGPT. You can, for example, go right here on ChatGPT and tell it to write online course for, and you want to say what topic you want to create your course about. So for example, I'm going to create course about YouTube SEO. for example. So that is how to rank on YouTube easier using SEO. So that is, you can see ChatGPT is generating every single bullet point of what this course should be about and what I should cover on each topic. So it is going to take some time to create this small course around how to do YouTube SEO. And once it is done, you can see optimizing videos. This is a great one actually, because I actually know a lot about YouTube SEO. So this is a great script for a course. So I want to show you guys now what is really important. So for each topic, you need to give some content. So for example, you want to select this first bullet point, copy this, and right here, write script for lesson, and you want to paste the lesson. So the lesson is overview of YouTube SEO and why it is important. So this is some kind of intro for course. And you can see right now lesson 1, it is going to create a whole topic on why this is important. And I highly recommend you guys also to use this method, because you can see sometimes ChatGPT is not going to provide a lot of content. Right now it is a decent amount of content for a first lesson, but sometimes it is going to create a small portion of content. So I want to show you guys what to do in that scenario. So right here you can see we have a lot of text, but for example, if it has only few sentences, you want to tell ChatGPT to write more. And I'm waiting for ChatGPT to stop, but it is actually creating a great first lesson. So you can see it has stopped right now. So you can say write more, and ChatGPT is going to continue talking about introduction on YouTube SEO. So I highly recommend you guys to do this because it is not that hard to do. Next thing that you want to do is you want to go on Google Slides. Now I'm showing you guys these softwares because they don't cost any money, and I want to show you guys how to do it for free, but you can actually use Word or some different PowerPoint presentations or something like that. But I'm showing you guys how to do this for free. So you want to go on Google Slides, log in your Gmail account, and once you open your Google Slides, this is how it is going to look like. Click on this blank one, and on the right, you can actually choose how you want your slides to look like. Now, this is really important because you're going to record the course. You want to make your slides look a bit nice. I really like these dark ones because you can see I have already made a dark one, and I'm using Keynotes, but those are on Mac. So some of you guys probably don't have MacBooks, so I highly recommend you guys to use these Google Docs. So what you want to do now is you want to go and create a small course. You want to put, for example, YouTube SEO course, and you want to go and now create basically course. You want to copy every single thing from ChatGPT. You want to copy lesson 1, then create lesson 2, then create lesson 3, and I have shown you guys how to do this. So once you create all of, I think there is around 15 lessons or something like that. So once you create, for example, 15 lessons and you create Google Slides for each one, next step is now you need to download this software called OBS Studio. Now this software, what it does is it records screen. So right now I'm showing you guys, and I'm basically creating some kind of course how to make money with ChatGPT. So basically you want to do something like this same. So how you can record your screen and your voice and your course, you want to use OBS Studio. Now it is going to be free. You can download it on Windows, Mac, or Linux. So basically every single platform you can go and download OBS Studio, record your screen, create your course, and upload it back on Udemy. Now this is going to be really easy to do. Just go and click on which operating system you have, and download basically the software. You can see right now I'm downloading the software. It is going to be free, and I highly recommend you guys this one because it is free. But once you get some money, you maybe want to invest in some better ones. I'm not going to talk about it right now, but maybe in the future, if you're interested in, make sure to leave a comment down below if you want to full tutorial on how to use OBS Studio and how to record your screen. Now it is going to be very easy to create the course, create every single bullet point. Once you record every single lesson, you actually need to record every single lesson with all of this text. Once you create that course, you want to go back on Udemy, create your account. Again, it is 100% free. And you want to click on Teach Udemy and upload your course. That is how you can start making passive income. Now, is it 100% free? Yes, but it does require work. I'm not teaching you guys this, and I'm not telling you guys you need just to click few buttons and upload this course. No, it is going to take some time to create this course, to create a beautiful, let's call it presentation. Once you're done with this, record it and upload it on Udemy. Now, this is not that hard to do. I have actually created many courses before, and I'm creating some kind of course right now, as I said. So you can see how easily it can be done. You can create this in less than a few hours, upload it on Udemy, and start earning passive income. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments down below. And also make sure to like this video to support me for making this free content. And also make sure to subscribe because I'm giving you guys all of this knowledge for free. So the only thing that I want from you guys is to subscribe and like this video. Thank you all for watching and see you soon in the next video, guys. Bye.